My name is Srihasni. I have been part of this in-house internship 2.0, which is conducted in 2026. So it is a very helpful program which helped many of the students to explore new concepts and gain new knowledge. Instead of being at home and doing online internships, it is very effective to come to the college and in this environment working with the team and engaging in team activities and working towards a separate goal, which help to improve our knowledge, teamwork skills and also communication skills. Our guides also helped us to gain this because as it is a new theme to work on, our guide helped us a lot and they gave many insights to improve all the things. So it's very helpful to work on this. Thank you.
I am Susanna Hepsiba from the Department of CSC. So I have worked on the project Learning Management and Academic Automation System for my summer internship. And to be honest, I really had a great experience these 2 months. I've learned how to negotiate, how to respect individuals' opinions, while I also upskill my technical skills. I suggest juniors all to participate in the summer internship program. You'll have the best time ever.